Hello everybody, today we're doing a video for GTA Car Kits in a Tesla Model 3, and today we're going to show you how to install this new additional display right in front of the driver so you can see the necessary information right in front of you and you don't have to look or be distracted by the big screen. So the information will display like if your doors are open, the turn signals, the gear position, and also if you start driving it will display the speed. And now we're gonna go ahead and show you how to install it. So the tools you're gonna need is a panel removal tool, and this is a T45 Torx on the ratchet because we're gonna be removing some of the bolts from the seat. And of course you're gonna need our display, and it comes with a wiring harness. We will start with the panel removal tool and we will get underneath here to unclip this panel. It's just held on these 3 clips, and this side panel we get into it from the top because there is a clip on top, and once it clips you just remove it because at the bottom it's like a hook, on top is a clip. At this point we're gonna grab this dashboard piece and we're just gonna pull it enough so it unclips and that there is room right here for our wire to get through. That way everything will be hidden once we install it. So we will grab our display and we will position it here in the middle. You can later on adjust it how far in you want it or to move it to the side, but for now we need to take this cable and we're gonna pull on the dashboard piece. That way we can route the cable right there so that way it's hidden. And at this point you can just clip back the dashboard panel, and now we're gonna start routing the wire. In order to route the wire, we will also remove this weather stripping. Here, we're gonna go down all the way here, and our goal is to go underneath the seat so we can hide everything underneath this carpet. We will remove the weather stripping. Now you can assemble some of the stuff back, like putting this piece back. Clip this in, and you can put back the weather stripping. Then over here you're gonna lift up this door sill piece, and there's a clip right here that you need to get around. And once you have everything, all the wire on the inside, then you can put back the rest of the weather stripping. So here we showed you our T45 Torx. To remove the seat it's pretty easy. So there's 2 bolts in the front, 2 at the back. We have the seat all the way to the back. Now we'll move the seat all the way to the front. So these are the 2 bolts at the back. Now we can lift up the seat and we're gonna get our wire underneath. There's some pins here which you have to slide under. Then you can see that there's open space there in the carpet to hide your wire nicely. So we need to get it all the way towards the center console, and then it can be hidden right there. Just make sure to take your time and hide it nicely. Get our tool over here and you just push it towards yourself, and then you can use your fingers to remove the rest. And once we're here we can press on the clip to disconnect this connector. We will take our harness and plug in the original one into it. You can plug in our end, and then there's space down there where you can kind of push in the harness, the extra wire. You can tie it up nicely and hide it in that space. Once you push everything in, you can cover everything. We will bolt this seat back, both at the back and the front, and now you can enjoy this new display in your Tesla. So again, this was a video for GTA Car Kits. I hope you liked it, and we'll see you next time.